In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part clearly and can follow along easily. To begin, make sure you have access to a stable internet connection and a Microsoft Teams account. Once you're ready, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. This will be your main hub for scheduling and managing meetings. If you're not already logged in, enter your account credentials to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Look for the Meet button and click on it. This will take you to a central hub within Teams where you can start, schedule, and manage your meetings. At this point, you'll want to click on the option labeled Schedule a Meeting. This will open up a new page where you can begin inputting the details of your meeting. On this new page, you'll find several fields to fill out. Start by giving your meeting a clear and descriptive title. This is important as it will help you and your colleagues easily identify the purpose of the meeting later on. Next, select the date and time for your meeting. You can choose a suitable date and ensure to match it with your team's availability. If relevant, you can also specify the location of the meeting, especially if it's a hybrid setup with some participants joining in person and others online. After entering these details, look to the bottom of the page for the Save button. Clicking Save will secure all the information you've entered and make your meeting official within Teams. It's always a good practice to double-check all fields before saving so that you don't miss any crucial details. Now that your meeting is saved, the next step is to invite participants. To do this, you will need to click on the Copy button, which will give you a link to the meeting. Once copied, you can send this link to your invitees via email, chat, or any other communication tool your organization uses. Make sure to inform your participants about the meeting's date and time to ensure smooth attendance. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Double-check with your invitees to confirm they have all the necessary information and are able to join. This ensures everyone is on the same page and anticipates the upcoming meeting. Keep practicing these steps, and setting up meetings will soon become second nature. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.